Hello, YouTube. I am so happy to tell you something awesome. So, this is a new protocol to add to the channel, and it's about breath work because it's the most important thing of all. Of all of the eating, the diet, the minerals, breath is number one. We cannot forget that. So, I'm going to tell you. I got a really cool name for it. I wrote it down in my notes. So I'm just gonna pull that up real quick. I'm going to call it the ox state because we're bully body and oxygen, it works perfectly. Anyway, so here we go. So the ox state, this is where I want the breathing ox state to be injected into the protocol. Breathing during the potassium phase of the fueling meal. Now I do think it's important before you even start your fueling meal, you should alkalize your body. Wim Hof just made a really epic video recently of him showing his results from urinating on a pH dipstick type thing you put in like swimming pools, and he showed before and after the effects on his own urine and how alkaline it was. And yeah, it went like right up to maximum alkalinity of 20 minutes of like barrel breathing, whatever you got, box breathing, or his Wim Hof technique. So yeah, alkalize your blood before doing this. And during the potassium phase, so you want to have your very micro pinch of iodine to signal your body to create the best hormones for your body during this stage. Eat plenty of Start with your apples, your tomatoes, red foods, so you get the boron, that structural foundation element. And then you want to continue to your oranges or orange fruits, and then finish with greens like maybe some spinach or cucumber preferably, because it's all structured water, super easy for your body to use, and the mineral profile is just divine. So once you've consumed your potassium, you're filled up, you've got like 100 grams of carbs in you now, 150, I don't know, it depends how big you are, how much energy you use. I want you to start this breathing exercise. Now, 2 seconds while I just find it in my notes. So, inhale for 4 seconds. This is what's going to draw potassium into the muscles. I don't know if you've ever done a breathing exercise after eating, but you will notice your muscles inflate. And it's good. All the cells in your body have been charged with alkalinity and breath and the Holy Spirit. So inhale for 4 seconds through the nose. And you want to be relaxed and draw it in quite slowly, expanding the belly, and you'll see your chest puffs up and your belly puffs up and your shoulders stay relaxed and remain chill. This is what's going to, direct potassium into the muscles. Hold for 2 seconds, which is going to release CO2 slightly. So 2 seconds, and then you're going to want to exhale for 8 seconds out the mouth. You can do it like ha or ho, any sort of vowel shape. It does make a difference. And this is going to relax the sympathetic nerve system. You'll get a surge of relaxation and calm and clarity. This will shift the calcium and your fascia, the silica. It's going to direct it where it should be going during this 20-minute phase, by the way, of before you start with the greens window. And then you want to, once you've exhaled, hold for another 2 seconds. Mild alkalinity spike and ATP releases. That's what we want. That's energy. And potassium gets pulled into cells, of course. At the first one, in the inhale, it opens the gate essentially. It opens the channels. So this is divine breathing. If you ever feel low vibration, just take a minute to breathe, because I find I usually don't even feel like breathing. I know it's good for me. I know Wim Hof feels good. I know alkalining myself feels good, but I feel like I don't want to. I think it's called you get addicted to your own suffering. People say they get, it's a hormonal state that your body, finds comfort in. But suffering, you're basically suffocating. Not just, it's all linked to breath. So, yeah, you are going to notice within a few minutes, shoulders drop, vision sharpens, your heart rate's going to drop quite nice and relaxed, and your body's going to, it's just going to go into healing, and, well, not really healing, more like charging, really, really charging your aura, bro. Your aura, the magnetic field around your body will expand, and everyone's going to feel it and not understand why. They'll be so confused because they aren't tapped into this level of consciousness. Or maybe they are, and they'll recognize you. That's when shit gets spooky, by the way. So, yep, your muscles are going to blow up like a bull. That's what Bully Body is all about. It's about mimicking the vegan lifestyle almost of a bull, but tweaking it to be human and godlike. Arms and stuff are all going to inflate. Where else? So, that is the essence of what I'm here to share with you. Remember, it's 4 seconds inhale through the nose. Hold for 2 seconds. Release out the mouth, relaxed for 8 seconds. Hold for 2. And I would continue doing that for up to 20 minutes during that window between finishing your potassium hit of the first stage of the energy fueling meal of the protocol, the Bully protocol. So, it's a pleasure to share this with you, and let's chase the highest frequency our bodies are capable of going to. Remember, remineralize the body, the skeleton. Elements, don't call it minerals, it's elements. They're literally the same thing, but elements is a more broader spectrum. We're elemental beings, elemental, God, mind, elemental. Alright, stay high vibe, peace out.